Hey guys, Chef Mike here from Mike's Diner, and welcome back to another edition. Today we have a great specialty of ours. It's called taco salad. It's the best taco salad anybody has ever had. Today I have my wife here who's going to help us go through this and show you how to make it. It's actually one of her dishes that she makes. So when did you first learn how to make taco salad?
Actually, I give credit to our sister-in-law, Roseanne, for giving us the recipe probably about 20 years ago.
Oh, that's great. Now, that was before YouTube.
Yeah, I think so.
And you know what? We just got back from a Reno trip, and people that we don't even know, love this so much because we made it over there. It's easy to do, guys. It's inexpensive, and we're going to go through all that. But let's talk about ingredients first, okay? Go ahead and tell everybody what you have here.
Iceberg lettuce, shredded. Hamburger meat, we used an 80-20, 3 pounds, and we used taco seasoning, just original taco seasoning. We used 2 packets. So you just brown your ground beef, shred it real small, add in your 2 packets of taco seasoning with a tiny bit of water, and then let it cool off a little bit. And then we've got green onion, diced. Avocado, this is 3 avocados, also diced. Sliced ripe olives, diced tomatoes, hand grated medium cheddar cheese, and Doritos tortilla chips, nacho cheese. And the secret ingredient is our Bob's Big Boy famous blue cheese dressing.
Okay, let me ask you a couple of things. How many avocados would you say you cut up here?
There's 3 full avocados.
Okay. And how many of the green onion?
2 batches of green onion.
Okay. And on the black olive, is that the big can?
It's the full 13-ounce can of sliced onion.
And on the meat that you prepared, when you're making the meat and it has all that juice coming from the meat, you take that out and put it on another.
Drain it.
Get rid of it.
Drain it.
Okay. And then I saw you with the paper towels in your lettuce. Can you tell us what you're doing right there?
So I just get a dry paper towel and just squeeze on the lettuce to absorb some of that excess water that's in your lettuce so that the salad stays crunchy and fresh. So
okay.
It doesn't wilt.
Okay. So are you ready to go right now?
Ready to go.
And go ahead and take us through. What's the first thing you do after you get your lettuce down?
So after you have your lettuce already patted dry, toss in your green onion. I just mix it around by hand. And you're just going to pretty much mix in most of these, your olives. And you can throw in your tomato at the same time. I kind of just give it a little toss. Not all the way tossed, just a little toss in with the lettuce.
Okay.
And we used one of our garden tomatoes, so you can see that.
Nice.
Now we're going to use our avocado, and the more avocado, the better this salad tastes. So we're going to try to keep it cubed and not stuck together.
Okay. Is there any seasoning going in here, or is it just the taco seasoning for the hamburger meat?
The taco seasoning, which is why we used 2 packets. And then the dressing that we're using and the cheese give it an extra flavor.
Okay. That looks good. And then?
The next step is putting our hamburger meat.
Okay. So just kind of even it out all the way across?
Just spread it across the whole salad.
Okay. I'm going to let you come in here and do some leveling, okay?
Okay.
Okay, there's that.
So we're going to spread that across the top. There we go.
Okay.
Then our next step is our dressing.
Oh, all right.
So we'll just use the same spoon. I'm going to pour this right over the top of our hamburger meat. You can see the chunks of blue cheese.
Ah, that looks beautiful.
For those of you who do not like blue cheese dressing as a dressing, you will be amazed that you can barely tell, and it just adds a certain flavor to this salad.
Okay.
So
we got
we
most
just
of that out.
spread that out. And then we throw on our grated cheese and just cover the top of the salad. And then the last ingredient is the Doritos.
Here you go, babe.
And we just poured them in here so you can see. And I like them pretty fine instead of big pieces because it makes the salad easier to eat. So you can see. Okay, we're good to go. And we're just going to spread them on top of the salad.
Nice, and just get them all down in that corner. Can you get that from you? Wow, there's a lot going on there.
There it is.
Is that it right there?
That's it.
That's completion.
That's a completed
Ready to go.
taco salad, ready to eat.
Okay. Well, let's take a look at this, because I know my producer director, Maddie, is gonna love to have some of this right now. Okay. That's kind of what it looks like, guys. That's it right there. A mixture of all the ingredients to make the best taco salad ever. There you go, Matty boy. I'd like to thank all the subscribers and the friends for joining in today. And as always, we love to cook. We may not be the best at it, but what we usually cook, people like. And we like to go over things that we get responses back from, like we did just a few weeks ago in Reno. This is what we made. And so we never thought about doing a cook for it on Mike's Diner until just yesterday. And I thought, you know what? It's simple. Everybody likes taco salad. Why not try it? So give credit to my wife, Julie, for helping us out today. And I'm sure we're going to destroy this. I got some barbecue stuff out there. Taco salad goes with almost anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Hope you have a good Sunday today and a blessed one. And hope you guys are doing good. And we'll see you on another episode of Mike's Diner. Thank you, babe. You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye. Thank you.